Global warming and climate change are two of the most pressing issues of our time. But what is the difference between the two, and what are the causes? Global warming refers specifically to the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere and its rise over time. This warming is primarily caused by activities that release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat like a blanket, causing the planet to warm. Climate change is a much broader term. It encompasses not just the rise in global temperatures, but also all the effects that warming has on our planet's climate system. This includes things like more extreme weather events, like heat waves, droughts, floods, and stronger storms, changes in precipitation patterns, rising sea levels, melting glaciers and ice sheets, shifts in plant and animal life. The planet is warming at an alarming rate, and this is causing profound changes to our world. Rising temperatures lead to more frequent and severe weather events, threatening entire ecosystems. Melting glaciers and ice caps cause rising seas that threaten coastal communities and low-lying islands with increased flooding. Shifts in plant and animal distributions are disrupting food chains and biodiversity. This video will briefly explore the causes of warming and climate change, both natural and human-induced. Global warming is one cause of climate change, but it's not the only one. Climate change is the bigger picture, considering all the ways Earth's climate is changing. If global warming is just one cause of climate change, what are the others? Other influences, both natural and human-caused, can affect climate on a smaller scale. These can be temporary fluctuations or regional variations. Natural factors include volcanic eruptions. Large eruptions can spew aerosols into the atmosphere that temporarily block sunlight, causing a cooling effect. Solar activity. The sun's energy output fluctuates slightly over time. These changes can have a small impact on Earth's climate. Ocean circulation patterns. These patterns distribute heat around the globe and can influence regional climates. Human activities include various activities such as agriculture, industry, energy production, and transportation can produce greenhouse gas emissions such as methane and carbon dioxide. Land use changes such as deforestation reduce the Earth's ability to absorb carbon dioxide. Short-lived pollutants like black carbon, soot, can have a warming effect, but they persist in the atmosphere for a shorter time than greenhouse gases. It's important to note that these factors are dwarfed by the overall warming effect of greenhouse gases. In the Mesozoic era, the tropical climate when the dinosaurs thrived, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere was 5 times what it is now. There can also be complex interactions. For instance, reduced snow cover due to a warmer climate can reflect less sunlight back into space, accelerating the pace of warming. While global warming acts as the primary driver of climate change, it's essential to recognize the interconnectedness of all climate systems. Natural phenomena like volcanic eruptions and solar fluctuations can temporarily alter Earth's temperature, but their impacts pale in comparison to the long-term warming caused by human activities. Land use changes and short-lived pollutants also contribute to climate change, albeit on a smaller scale. Ignoring the factors risks exacerbating the fever of global warming into a full-blown climate catastrophe.